Ever feel like your to-do list never ends? Meet Claude AI, a super smart assistant that works 24/7 completely free. In 2026, it's even better. Let me show you how to get started in just 90 seconds. First, head to Claude AI and sign up with your email. No credit card, no hustle, instant access. The dashboard is clean. One big chat box. You can type, upload a PDF or drop an image and ask Claude to analyze it. But here is a trick. Your result depends on how you ask. Don't be generic. For example, instead of writing, write about history. Say, you are friendly professor, explain me French Revolution in 3 fun facts. See the difference. Give Claude a role, be clear and you will get gold. Students love using Claude to summarize dense textbooks, solve math problems step by step, or turn any messy notes into a polished study guide. Just paste and ask, explain this like I am 10. For content creator, Claude is a creative booster. Generate engaging hooks, full YouTube scripts, SEO caption, try act as a travel vlogger, write a 30-second intro for a Tokyo budget guide. It's that fast. Now, common mistakes. Never share sensitive data, always verify important facts. Don't ask super vague questions. The more specific you are, the smarter Claude seems. So, Claude AI is free, powerful and ready to help you to study, create and solve math problems or any problem. Hit that sign up link, start experimenting and watch your productivity skyrocket. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more quick AI videos. See you next time. Bye bye.